Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
The error code 0xc00000bb usually means your computer had a problem starting up its boot library. This often happens on ASUS motherboards or after you clone a hard drive. It means the BIOS cannot find the right instructions to start Windows. You might see a black screen with this message right after turning on your PC. First, try to disable Secure Boot in your BIOS settings. Restart your computer and tap the Delete or F2 key. Go to the Boot tab and find Secure Boot. Change it to Disabled or Other OS. Save your changes and exit. If that does not work, you should reset your BIOS to default settings. Look for an option that says Load Optimized Defaults. Another common fix is to repair your boot configuration data. You will need a Windows Recovery USB for this step. Boot from the USB and choose Repair your computer. Open the command prompt. Type bootrec/fixboot and press enter. Then type bootrec/fixboot and press enter. Finally, type bootrec/rebuild and hit enter again. Sometimes this error is caused by a loose cable or a bad CMOS battery. Check your motherboard for a small silver battery. Remove it for 1 minute and put it back in. This will reset your hardware settings. If you recently added new RAM, try taking it out to see if the error goes away. Most of the time, these steps will fix the problem and get you back into Windows. Follow these steps carefully to resolve the issue quickly. Always make sure your hard drive is plugged in tightly. Check your power cables as well.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.